Oh, it's lucky number 20 down there at the end. Winner.
Welcome to the San Bernardino County Fair. Yeah! Okay.
We are at the San Bernardino County Fair.
We're having so much fun at the San Bernardino County Fair.
When we're so in love with each other.
San Bernardino County Fair, we love you guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the great San Bernardino County Fair.
She was a waitress.
Hey y'all, Heidi Newfield here. Great to be here at the San Bernardino County Fair.
And I tell you, who doesn't love Victorville and who doesn't love San Bernardino? This is the best county fair in the country, and I love playing it.